An biro chako mole pachoka juma manyien motel ne tukego michano bagi dwe mar 8 higani. Kane wuoyo gi jofwambo, jakom mar komiti matayo tukego Nicholas Musonye olando nengo otiko mag donjo e tukego ka bende kwayo johera mag adhula mondo ikre mar yore tuke mag grube Kenya mibiro bagi e lap Moi Stadium Kasarani.
We had a discussion with the three countries how to price the tickets. In Kenya it's 200, 500 and 1,000 for VIP. 200, 500 and 1,000 for VVIP. We did this because we didn't want to make it very high. We want Kenyans to go. That's why we put it at 200. Tanzania have also said theirs. Uganda have also said their pricing. We want our youth to come and enjoy football. This is the only platform to show our unity of purpose as a country. Kenya is a country of diverse cultures, but we have been held together because of the spirit of Harambee, and we have been in this spirit for the last 50, 60 years. We want that spirit to continue as a nation. We were appealing to the people of this country and East Africa to come and enjoy this competition.